Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about types of cyber criminals. Let's get into the topic. So before going to the actual topic, let's discuss the attack types. According to the law, there are two types of cyber attacks which are prevalent. First one it is the techno crime and the next one is the techno vandalism. In the techno crime, right, the attackers they will be doing the and premeditated attacks which results in the either deletion of data, either corruption of data or alteration of some sensitive data, or they might be stealing the data, or they might be copying the data of an organization system, or they might destroy the computer parts, or they might destroy the network. So in the techno crime they will be doing either loss to a data, or they will be doing the damaging of the computer parts or the computer systems or the network. Whereas coming to the techno vandalism, this is the act of defaming defaming a person or defaming an organization, which are the brainless activities done by the criminals. What they will be doing is that either they will be doing a defacement of websites, or they might be copying the illegal contents into the victims' websites in order to destroy their reputation, or they might be hacking um, someone's social networking sites, or they might be posting irrelevant content so that the fame of the particular person gets degraded. So this is called techno vandalism. So the cyber crimes in the law, they have categorized into two parts. One is the techno crime, where the computer parts or the data will be the target, whereas in the techno vandalism, a websites or a person will be the person will be the target in the techno vandalism. Okay, so the next one, why uh, the criminals will be doing this cyber illegal activities or the criminal activities using the system or a computer. They might be carrying out them either for the financial purpose, or they for some personal or the political purpose, right? So mainly we will be saying the computer fraud, we will be listening, right, and we will be having the cyber crime or the computer crime. So there is a small difference, right? In the computer fraud, what they will be doing, they will be doing this criminal activities in order to get the financial gain, or in order to get a financial profit, they will be performing the computer fraud. Whereas in the computer crime or in the cyber crime, what they will be doing, they will be doing all the criminal activities in order to either in order to take a personal grudge, or they might be politically influenced, or for the passion they will be doing, or they will, in order to take an opportunity, they will be doing all these things. So mainly computer fraud, it is carried out only for the financial gain, whereas the cyber crime is carried out either they might have politically influenced, or for passion they will be doing it, or in order to take a revenge they will be performing this cyber crimes. So now let's get into the actual topic for today, that is types of cyber criminals. So before going to the types of cyber criminals, we will be saying who is a cyber criminal. Now cyber criminal is a person who performs the illegal activities through a computer or on a computer. Now what all the activities he does, we'll see. So the cyber criminal, he conducts these activities. He will be conducting the child pornography, he does the credit card frauds, he does cyber stalking, he does defaming another online, he will be gaining the unauthorized access to the computer system, he might be ignoring the computer rights, and he might be using a particular softwares, all those things, or he might software licensing and trademark protection, he will be overriding the encryption to make illegal copies, he does software piracy, or he will be stealing someone's identity to perform the criminal acts. So these are the activities, or these are the criminal activities which are conducted by the cyber criminals. So what is the main motive behind the criminal in order to do all those things? Is that it is for the he will be doing this for the greed for money, yes, or he will be doing in order to gain the power, or to gain the publicity, or desire to take the revenge, or a sense of adventure, or looking for the thrill to access forbidden information, or with a destructive, he might be conducting these activities with a destructive mindset, or he might be conducting this in order to desire to sell network security services. So these are the main motives behind the cyber criminals in order to conduct the cyber activities. So based on this motivities, what type of motive he has for performing this particular cyber crime, the cyber criminals are categorized into three main categories. Now let's get into the topic. So types of cyber criminals. Type 1 is that cyber criminals who are hungry for the recognition, and the type 2 are cyber criminals who are not interested in recognition, and type 3 are the cyber criminals who are the insiders. Now let's get deep in detail. First one, getting into the type 1 cyber criminals. They are always hungry for the recognition. So in this one, the first to come is the hobby hackers. So a person who enjoys exploring the limits of what is possible in a spirit of playful cleverness may modify hardware and the software. Now these hobby hackers are the person, they will be doing it in order to get recognized, or they want to explore, and what they will be doing, they will be hacking the websites. Yes, now they are called gray hat hackers. And next there will be IT professionals, we can see them as ethical hackers. Now ethical hackers are the one who will be doing hacking with by getting the authorized. Now this, we have a number of ethical hackers in India or in over the countries, right? Now in India, ethical hacker is we can say the great Sai Satish. Now he is one of the ethical hacker in India, right? Now mainly these people, what they will be doing is that they will be using the social engineering as a tool in order to perform the ethical hacking. Next one, it is a politically motivated hackers. They promote the objective of individuals, groups or nations supporting a variety of causes such as anti-globalization, transnational conflicts and the protest. So they will be motivating politically, right? They will be forming a political groups and they want the recognition for that political group. So what they will be doing, they will be starting hacking in order to promote that political group or get recognition for that political group. Next one, it is a terrorist organization. Now cyber terrorism, right? Now cyber terrorism is the term given for this terrorist act. Now, in this one, what they will be doing is that they will use the internet attacks in the terrorist activity. They does large scale disruption of computer network or personal computers attached to the internet via viruses. Okay, so these are the type 1 cyber criminals. Like, next, coming to the type 2 cyber criminals. Now this type 2 cyber criminals, they are not interested in the recognition, but they want to affect the people, or they want to commit the cyber crimes. In this category, the first one is psychological perverts. Now what they will be doing is that they will express their sexual desires or deviate from the normal behavior. They do the cyber stalking. They will be stalking the people online, they will be stalking the people offline, and they will be sending the threatening emails to them, or they might be blackmailing them, but we don't know who actually the criminal is. They will be hiding their identity, and they will be conducting this pornographic activities, and they does defaming other rivalry groups or their opponent persons on the internet. All these things we will be doing. Next one, it is a financially motivated hackers. Now they do this only for making the money from the cyber attacks. Now example is that they will sell the botnets, or they will rent the botnets for the other cyber criminals or other organizations which need them, and they will be doing the fraud activities through phishing. They will be doing the information theft, they will be doing spamming and other extortions or email bombing. All those things they will be doing. So financially motivated hackers, they will be doing this in order to get money. Yes, next one, it is a state sponsored hacking. Now in the state sponsored hacking, they are hacktivists. Now what, they will be working for the country, or they will be working for the state. Extremely professional groups will be working for the governments. They have an ability to warm into the networks of the media and major corporation and defense department, and they will be getting the information which is useful for their nation, or in order to secure their nation's individual or nation's information. So this state sponsored hackers, they won't reveal their identity like ethical hackers. They will be working for the military people, or they might be working for the government agencies. Next one is a type 3, that is criminals, the insiders. Now these are the most dangerous persons or most dangerous cyber criminals. Now they do this criminal activities. These are the people who are disgruntled or former employees who will be doing these activities in order to take the revenge. Okay, now for example, an employee is there, right? Now a team lead is there. Now a team leader might have taunted or might have scolded this employee, or he might be torturing the employee in order to do the work or some other thing. So what they will be, he will be getting high, and he want to take the revenge on that particular person. So what he does, he might access his computer, and he might delete some of the important files, so that the higher employees blame the team lead, right? So like this kind of taking the revenge is the motto of the third type of the cyber criminals. And the next one in that only, so what they will be doing, competing companies will be there. They will be bribing the employees in the other company, and what they will be doing, they will be using these employees to gain the economic advantage through the damage or theft of the information. So what happened is this, so two companies are there, they are rivalry companies. So company A is there, he will be bribing an employee from the company B, and this employee will be working for the company A, and he will be giving some sensitive information which gets losses to the company B, or which might get profit to the company A, or he might be damaging the computer's operating systems, um, infecting the systems by sending the virus, or by injecting the virus into the system, which can be a huge loss to the organization. So in the type 3, mainly the insiders, the inside people only, they will be doing this one either for the personal grudge or for the financial benefit from another company or from the opponent company. Okay, so these are the 3 types of criminal activities. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.